If you're trying to decide between Alldebrid, Debrid, or Offcloud, here's a quick breakdown to help you choose the best one for your streaming or downloading needs. Debrid is the most popular among streamers. It gives you premium links for apps like Kodi, Sinclair, and Stremio. It's fast, it's reliable, and it works great with Fire Stick and Android plans, starting around €4 for 30 days. Alldebrid is similar, but with a few extra perks like a built-in torrent converter and more supported hosters for direct downloads. It's slightly cheaper and the interface is beginner friendly. It also works well with the most streaming apps. Offcloud is different. It's more focused on downloading and cloud storage. You can restrict links, download torrents to the cloud, and even push files to the Google Drive or Dropbox. It's powerful, but not ideal for pure streaming. So if you want the best experience for streaming, go with Debrid. If you want a budget-friendly alternative with a more file host support, try Alldebrid. And if your focus is downloading storage or torrenting, Offcloud is your pick. I hope this helps. Like, subscribe, and let me know which one you prefer down in the comments.